Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I came to my house, my grandmother's house. So I got my dog feed. You saw it in a few videos, and you want to see it? See, it's over there. I'll call. I'll call it. You see that? I'll call. See, it will come off. Fiju, Bailey, come here, come here. Wait, I think it's trying to catch me. Veka, come here. Wait, I think the dog is going to come, guys. Inda ba, Veka. Yes, I'm gonna hide from the dog. Fiju! 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 Guys, the dog on me. See, Fiju? We have so come Fiju. Okay guys, there will be peace.